Hey guys, alright, just catching up. I'm going to start a new series called Ask Axel, and this series is going to be short and sweet little questions that I get asked as the automotive person in a family. Whether it be, how do I check my brakes? Where should I get my oil changed? All these really basic things. Even I get asked questions like, where do I buy plugs? How do I de-pin a connector? What's the best way? Do I solder? Do I crimp? All these kind of questions. So I'm going to start a quick, short series of videos just answering each of these questions individually, and yeah, we'll see how we go. Let me know if you have any questions. That'd be real cool. All right. Quick little rundown of the tools I use to de-pin plugs of all sorts and kinds. It doesn't have to be fancy. I find a little pair of pliers is useful. Picks are of different shapes. They're also very useful too. Can even be a little tiny jeweler screwdriver. Whatever you need. The probably number one biggest and most important thing to get your hands on if you want to de-pin plugs is a set of these. These do not need to be expensive. I'm pretty sure these come from Alibaba or something. These are invaluable, and you will not be able to successfully do some certain pins. For instance, these ones with the doubles, these are all used for those JPT, junior power times. Whereas where you've got two little tabs on each side of the pin that you need to pull out. You need to depress those simultaneously. So you need these for any of those style. These ones are great for all your, so this single style of different thicknesses. These ones are really good for your standard plugs and pins where you've just got a connector and a little ramp that you need to push up on. You can just use these. You don't need anything too fancy. If they're large enough, you can even just use a pick. Welding tungstens are also, I've found, to be useful in a pinch, especially the thinner ones, because they're nice and strong and you can sharpen them up quite nicely.